There are 6 trays on the bottom of the car, and this does not include any wheel well covers. Starting at the front, there are 2 engine trays, green arrows, 1 transmission cover, yellow arrow, 2 side trays, red arrows, and 1 at the rear beside the gas tank, blue arrow. To remove the engine trays, you will start with the rear tray, as some of its fasteners also hold the forward engine bay tray in place. Use an 8mm socket and remove all 6 fasteners as indicated by the red arrows. The 4 forward fasteners hold the rear engine tray on top of the forward tray, red arrows, 3 shown. With the fasteners removed, you can lower the tray. There is a small plastic hook on the cross-beam support that you will need to be aware of. Remove the 6 remaining 8mm fasteners on the front tray, then you can lower it from the vehicle. With these 2 trays off, you have access to the systems under the engine. To remove the transmission tray, use an 8mm socket and remove the 6 remaining fasteners as indicated by the red arrows. 2 of the front fasteners will have already been removed when removing the rear engine tray, as indicated by the yellow arrows. With all 3 trays removed, you have access to both the engine and the transmission, along with all the other systems under the vehicle. There is very little need to remove the side trays, but if you need to, just remove the 8mm fasteners and they drop down. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article, along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.